I'm gonna explain how I work on assignment now week 10. So I create the web page that name an assignment list. So this how it look after I worked on HTML and a Bootstrap. I use the Bootstrap grid on this one, and I use the form and the table. So you can see this one. This is a section that for user insert and the delete form. I have the table that I include about it that the user can create the name, the class, the subject of assignment, and the receipt date and deadline date. And this is the table. I create an ID list and class table, dark table step. I'm gonna show you when we add all information how it look. And then I do the file on a JavaScript. So the file is show that how is a work on add a new row to an HTML table when a button is clicked and include a button with a check mark or an X mark depending on whatever the assignments was received before or after the deadline. So this one, see, I set let ID equals 0, and I create a new row in the table when click a button. So I use get element by ID to get the ID add and add event listener by click, and I insert a row. So I use the ID or name list, and I set an element for row by ID, and I do item and use it to show the ID, and I set the value of cell in the row that have a new name, new class, new subject, new receipt date, and new deadline date. Then I would like to compare receipt date and a deadline date. So I create a receipt date and a deadline date for get both of it to compare, and I create a button with a check mark and X mark emoji and a label that like a either receive an assignment before or on deadline is gonna add it's gonna add an on-time button, and elf is gonna add late. So let me show you how it works. So for example, so this is a name of student, and this is a receipt. For I'm gonna just do it today, and deadline it maybe tomorrow. So when I add it, you can see this is going to show name, class, subject, receipt date, deadline date, and it just show on time. How about it is the same student and the same subject, but the receipt date is 20, the same is today, but the deadline date is 2 days ago. And you see it's showless. So that what I want to create, and I work on this week, and I also create file ignore and already upload on GitHub. Thanks.